Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable voice control for smart TV integrations with Alexa. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable voice control for smart TV integrations with Alexa, begin by ensuring your TV is compatible with Alexa. Check the manufacturer's website or user manual for compatibility information. Next, make sure your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Alexa device. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in to your Amazon account if you haven't already. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu options. In the search bar, type in the name of your TV brand or model. Locate the official skill for your TV and tap Enable. Follow the prompts to link your TV to your Amazon account. You may be required to log in to your TV manufacturer's account. Once linked, return to the Alexa app home screen. Tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Select Add Device. Choose TV from the list of device types. Select your TV brand from the list provided. Follow any additional prompts to complete device discovery. Once your TV is discovered, tap Settings to customize your control options. To issue voice commands, simply say, "Alexa, turn on the TV." You can also ask Alexa to change channels or adjust the volume. For specific commands, refer to your TV's user guide for a complete list of Alexa-supported functionalities. Test different commands to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you experience issues, check your Wi-Fi connection or revisit the setup steps. With these steps, you can easily control your smart TV using voice commands through Alexa. Enjoy the convenience of hands-free viewing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.